Let's see what else we got coming up this week. We got a Chevy Impala. Is that an LTZ? Because it's got the LTZ rims. Would have got hit up the butt. Yes, it did, but it doesn't look too bad. This might be one of those little steals, guys. You know, people will see that it's missing a bunch of stuff on the rear of the taillights and stuff, and they'll get scared. They won't bid on it. The interior looks nice too. Leather seats. Run and drive. It's from my favorite insurance company, USAA. 145,000 miles. Bumper is in here. Ooh, she is nasty. Look at this, man. I never understood that. It looks like they got some broken up backwoods in there. And it's just all dusty. Look at the dash and stuff. Like, listen, man, if you happen to be a fan or you happen to like watching these videos, this should just be a thing. You know how they tell you when you go out or you're going to the doctor, always make sure you wear a clean pair of drawers? This is a prime example of what we mean by that. Oh, she's dead. Damn. And I didn't bring the jump box today. I know you guys are going to be like, TK, you should have brought the box. Listen, man, I had to find a window that I could get in here and film today because the sky is about to open up. So I had to do what I had to do. But, damn, this thing, without me hearing it run, though, it's not something I'm going to push on hard, especially how nasty it is in here. It is dirty. It is definitely dirty. Like I said. But like I said also, you know how they tell you to wear a clean pair of drawers because you never know if you're going to get into an accident or have to go see a doctor or some shit? Clean your car. You never know if it's going to get into a fender bender or a wrecked. And then people are going to think you're nasty. Alright, let's keep it moving. Ooh. Ooh, an RT. A Charger with a Hemi. Look at that thing of beauty right there. A Charger with a Hemi. Ooh, and there's a Lincoln behind it. I see a couple. Oh, look at the clouds coming in, man. It looks ominous as F out here, man. I'm not... I might end up having to put this in the truck and switch to the damn phone. Oh. But, man. Woo. Yeah, the sky looks like it's about to do something nasty. And it is. I just got to find a car to sit it out in for a little bit before we go back to work. I'll find one. Might go back to that Honda too. I hear the trees blowing already. But let's take a look at this Dodge Charger. Front end is busted. That fender and that front end suspension on that side is definitely busted. Headlight is busted over here. Fender's crumpled up a little bit. Hood's crumpled up. This might be one that somebody bought, did a little work to, and they're trying to run it back through. Yeah, it's a RT. It's clean. It's clean. I wonder what the deal is with it, though. Yeah, see how that front tire is just leaning? Look at the damage over here. Like, look at that. Whew. Whew. And you can get a look at it from, like, ground level. You can really see the damage as you pull up on it. Yeah, that's bad. Woo, look at them clouds, though. You know, that wall of water. Look, I'm starting to feel it. It's starting to drizzle on me now. This thing's only got 57,000 miles on it. Let's see if this Dodge has any power and will start. I wouldn't mind riding the storm out in this one. There's some under stuff in here from under the front end. See if that'll just sit like that. Let's see if she starts. Oh. So close. Come on, girl. Woo! She fired up, baby. She fired up. Man, she sounds good too. Listen to that. Woo! Who knew that the RT was on beast mode like this? I mean, airbags are deployed on this thing. Oh, let's go ahead and get in here. We're gonna try to ride this. We're gonna ride the storm out right here. We're gonna ride the storm out right here. AC working. So we got no check engine light on the motor, but that's a win. All right. Temperature and stuff looks good, but she did just start. Let's see if the AC works. So the check engine lights we got is an ABS, traction control off, and tire. I'm not worried about any of those. Airbag. The interior doesn't look bad, except, you know, this undercarriage crap from the front here. Airbag blue over there, but this is not a bad dash where you couldn't like fix that. I think we could put that back together. You know, replace the steering wheel in here. What was that ding for? Oh, low washer fluid. Okay. Anything else? AC is starting to work. So you can see the seats and stuff in here are pretty clean. Nothing crazy. I wonder, does this have the oh, it's got heated seats. Look at that, man. Damn thing got heated seats. What? All right, let's see about, I want to see if it has, because that's app manager. I want to see, welcome to Uconnect access. I want to see if this has like the, you know, modes where you can go into like track and all that good stuff. Maybe not. It's got paddle shifters though. Look at this, man. This Charger's got paddle shifters. That's not bad at all. Wow, they're hot though. Let's see if she goes into gear as I'm stepping on the airbag. Yep, backup camera works. She goes into drive. This thing is cool, man. I mean, some suspension work, the fender, the front end work, fix the airbags. She'll probably be right. I'm gonna watch this temperature for a minute as we let her run and see if it'll work. But let's see here. It does have a sport button here. Let's see here, controls. Mirror dimmer, screen off, settings. So up on the dash, up in here, you see that little green flag? Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Guys, see that green flag? I can turn it off and on from sport mode to not sport mode. She runs good, man. The AC works. I'm not seeing anything that would keep me from, you know, from saying, hey, I wouldn't buy this. I mean, I'm sure it's going to go for some money though. It's got 57,000 miles on it on the 5.7. God damn, it sounds good, man. Even in here, man, she sounds like a beast. Let's go ahead and turn this off real quick. Listen to this. And that's in sport mode. Listen. Beast. Yeah, we'll keep it moving. I like this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. I'm kind of interested in this. I really am. I think this could be a good rebuild project and not something that's outside of my wheelhouse or something that's too difficult to take care of. Like, I think I can handle this one. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. This might be the highlight of the day. I know you guys want to see that 650 again, but it's a wrap. I'm not going to waste my time on crap that I'm not going to see. But I think that this Charger RT might be the move. I really do. I think this one might be one of the best ones of the week. Damn, what the hell happened to that? What is that? That's a Kia. Woo! Look at this. Say it with me. Smashed. Can you smashed? Look at that. Look at the alternator. The belt is still on. Look at that down there, man. Woo!